Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the basics of how to start and stop an exercise on your Suunto 7 smartwatch. So this is very easy, just like with most smartwatches that are out there. If you want to go out and you want to do an exercise, you're always going to start by pressing the top right button on your Suunto 7. The top left button will always take you to your app menu. The middle button on the right is customizable. You can put that to whatever you want, and the bottom button on the right is customizable, but the top right button will always take you to the Suunto app, and that's where you're going to go to do your exercise. So let's press that now. And what will happen is it's basically going to start connecting to your GPS. Now I'm indoors, so we're going to have some issues with that. If I wanted to click on the map, I could click this top area and just view my map. I can also swipe up and I can see different options like setting a course, my power saving options, my exercise options, map options. But just to start a basic activity, you should see an activity listed here. It will always show you the last activity that you've done. You can simply click on that, and then you can choose the different activity if you're wanting to do a different one. They have tons of them listed on this watch. I've done a video in the past where I go through this a little bit slower, where you can actually look at every activity that is available for the Suunto 7. But in this example, let's just stick with walking. We're going to choose our activity, and then all we're going to do is we're going to click on the play for start, and we're going to drag it over, and that's going to start our activity. You'll notice that you've got a pause button up here. You can swipe up from the bottom to see your exercise options. The middle button is going to basically change your view. So here's my current view. Now, granted, there's no values that are changing because I'm sitting still. If we were out doing the activity, we would see my heart rate and the time, so on and so forth. If I press the middle button, it'll give me a different view. Press it again, it'll take me to my map. Again, my GPS did connect, so you can simply zoom in. Again, we're sitting still, so it's not showing me moving on my map. If we were out and about, it would show that. And then I can always press the middle button to get back to my main screen. Pretty simple. It's going to stay in this while you're walking. So if you wanted to stay in your map view while you're walking, you can simply put it on the map and take off walking. When you're done with your exercise, or if you want to pause it, you're going to simply press the top right button. That'll basically put it in a pause mode. You can resume by pressing the top right button again. Press it again to pause it. You can discard, or you can end the exercise. I'm going to press the bottom button. Now we could also use the touchscreen functionality, but I'm going to press the bottom button, and I'm going to choose to end the activity. When you end the activity, it's going to give you basically a glimpse of what you've done. It was a walking activity, my duration, my distance, calories, so on and so forth. And then at the very bottom, you've got the option to close, to save it, or you can delete the activity. I'm going to choose to delete it. It says, are you sure you want to do this? I can cancel, or I can delete. I'm going to simply delete. And now we've done the activity, we've stopped the activity, and then we either saved it, or in my case, we deleted it. Very basic stuff. Now there's a whole lot that goes into the activities. You can go out on the app and you can check out your activity once you're done. This is just a quick video to show you how to start, choose the activity, and stop the activity. I hope the video helps.